everyone, this is Ingrid from Old Town Charm. It's been a while. It's been very busy at home. I have been working on new projects. I also have been working on orders from clients. We're coming into the season where, Christmas orders or anything that is coming up for the holidays, people are requesting them now. So I apologize if you haven't seen a video from me. But today I will be doing soap number 1 of the Sparkle series. I'm trying to make Hot Process look very cute and different, just like we can do with Cold Process. Just make it different and try to come up with different ways to not make it so rough looking, which, Hot Process is a type of soap that once it's done, it's very solid. It's not that fluid, so it's very hard to do types of swirls, but you still can achieve it. And today we're just doing colorful soaps with sparkles. And after this series, I'm just thinking of doing some soaps with swirls, with other techniques that I'm coming up with. So I hope you enjoy this video. It's going to be a very simple video of just making some soaps and colors and adding some great fragrance, new fragrance that I've never used before. So I hope you like it. Again, hope that I know it's very busy, but I know that I'm going to come up with more videos for you guys and entertain you guys. So I do hope that you guys like this. So if you do, please hit the like button, share it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and see my videos that you haven't seen that are in the past if you're new to my my channel. All right, so let's start with the soap making. Thanks for watching. The colors, the fragrance, and the ingredients that I used to make this soap are going to be in the description down below. This is the final cut. I love how this soap came out. This is my first time using these neon colors, the neon yellow and the orange. I think I've used the orange before, but I mixed it. But I didn't know it was going to come this bright, so here are the results. Thank you for watching.